Hi, this is Cleat with Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom. Have you ever had a top load washer that was so deep when you reached in the bottom, it made your feet stick off the ground? Well, today I'm going to show you a way around getting a large top load washer and you can still keep your feet on the ground.
Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, the nation's largest discount appliance dealer. Visit our website for deals and store locations near you.
Okay, so if you know my videos from the past, you know that I have a Samsung top load washer at home myself. And it was a good test and we're still using it and I've not had any problems with it at all. And it's a 5 cubic foot top load washer just like this. But the problem is when my wife uses it, it is so deep because it's so large at 5 cubic feet that she has a little footstool on the bottom and her feet are kind of hanging out. It's quite comical. I tease her about that all the time. And so it's a nice washer. It's just so doggone deep. So take a look at this one. This is different. With this 5 cubic foot, they've made it wider instead of deeper, which means that you can reach the bottom. Even I had a hard time with that old one, but this one here, it's much nicer because they've totally redesigned it so that it's not so deep and you still are able to put a large comforter in there. In fact, we have a king size comforter and we're able to fit it in our 5 cubic foot. No reason you couldn't do that in this one as well. So this has got some other features that are kind of unique to it as well. By the way, this is the WA50 R5400 and we have it here in white. You can get it in black stainless, but the special deal I'm going to talk to you about is just in white. But here's the feature that I like about it. It's got this active wash jet. So you're able to just touch the button right here and water will start flowing out. So you ever spill something on your shirt? I can tell you I have, and my wife has sent me with the Dawn detergent to put over there and soak it. Well, the first thing we do at home is mine like this one. I put it underneath there, I turn that water on, rinse it out a little bit, and then put some Dawn detergent on, rinse that out a little bit, and I just leave it in the washer for a while and the stain always comes out. So works pretty well. These little sinks right here, these little faucets here are really nice. And the fact that they've reduced or eliminated the sink in this model means it doesn't have to be as deep in order to hold it. So it's a much better design than what I even have. And you can see in the tub here how this thing is flowing. Well, this is designed to help extract more water out of it. It turns about 750 revolutions per minute, so it's really fast. So it should get dry pretty quickly, which will help inside your dryer. Now, other features about it, it's got easy access because it's so wide, it's easier to take care of that. It's got super speed. It can actually do a full load in 36 minutes. That's pretty impressive, 36 minutes. I know mine usually takes about an hour to do any kind of load. This one here can do it in 36 minutes. So it's got some other nice features. Let me just go over some of the quick ones with you. So deep fill, it's got a deep fill option on it. So this is a high efficiency washer. So what that means is that it's going to use very little water. It might use 15, 20 gallons of water. I'm not sure the precise, but I know it's low like that. And the big complaint about that for some folks is they really would rather use more water. And so if that's you, if you'd like to have extra water in there, then you can use this, put it on the deep fill action and it'll fill it right up. So that's kind of cool. That gives you both, it can be high efficiency or not depending on what you want to do. It's got Smart Care, which basically allows you to connect it up to your phone so that you can do some analysis on it. It's got special spinning. This is going to be about as quiet as any washer out there because it's got the VRT technology, which is something that helps reduce its vibration. I've used that for years. Samsung has had that for years. I think it's actually pretty nice. It's self-clean. So this will actually alert you after a certain amount of washers that it's time to hit the self-clean button. So you don't have to put in all the chemicals in here like other washers do. You can just hit its own self-clean button and it will shake and gyrate itself so that it actually knocks some of that calcified soap off of there. So that's kind of nice. Now I still use a fresh in mine just because I think it's nice. It smells nice and fresh when it's done, but you don't really have to. This one's got its own self-cleaning. It's got a nice soft closed lid, so as you can see, it catches itself. So that's kind of sweet too. It's got a direct drive motor. So what that means is there's no belt in the motor. It's less of a likely that you'll have to do a repair. And it gets you an extra warranty anytime you see a direct drive motor as well. So I think that's nice. It's a pretty nice piece. And the deal about it at Appliance Factory is, right now this is selling everywhere at $6.99 if you can even find it. But we've got tons of these in stock. We got a special buy from the dealer. or from the vendor, and it's selling here at $5.99, and we got plenty in stock. So today is March 25th. I would get in sooner than later because these will go pretty fast, but this is a good recommended piece. So I think you'll like it. Again, white is the color to ask for. That's what the sale's on. And for a $5.99 washer, I really don't think you can beat those features right now. Okay, we just killed another good few moments here. I really appreciate you watching today. I hope you learned something. Do like and subscribe if you want to keep on doing this. Come again.